What's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob, and I'm back with another video. I have here my Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and I have on deck the Spigen Rugged Armor Pro. Now, this is designed on the label. You will probably see it does says for the S7 Plus, 5G or S7 Plus. Let's understand that both of those tabs, the 7 and the 8, are the exact same dimensions. Therefore, when you go look up for this particular case, you will see that the 7 name may pop up first. If so, click on that, or we can make things a lot easier and you can just use my link down below and click on that. Now, this case does retail for $27.99. Black is the only color that this case comes in. Fully compatible with S Pen carrier. Comes with a built-in storage for it. It is has this carbon fiber feel to it, and around the edges does have air cushion technology packed into every corner for shock absorption. Now, this case is compatible with all Spigen screen protectors. So if you have a screen protector that's from Spigen on there, which what I do have on there, you should have no problems with this case working with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it set up and let you guys see how it looks. Nice packaging. Very flexible feel to it. Has that classic Spigen lining in it for that quote-unquote air cushion technology. The corners are nice. S Pen. Let's get it set up real quick. All right, took a little effort to get the actual tab into this, but it is a very snug fit. It is, like I said, has the reinforced corners like they advertise. I do have a Spigen screen protector on there, and it is working real nice. It comes, there's a little gap between the actual case and the screen protector, so you're not going to have to worry about any kind of push-ups or anything from the case pushing up the screen protector. The back part of this does fold back into a kickstand. Very nicely done. So everything is on point. Also, where your S Pen goes in at, it's a nice little extra piece of security to snap into place to know for sure that your S Pen wouldn't be just depending on the magnets itself when you're walking around with this. It will be held firmly in place with the this S Pen, I call it clip. Cameras are easily protected, recessed by the case. Got the nice little carbon fiber look right here. Carbon fiber, nice Spigen branding, which is textured real nice. It almost looks like a brushed metal on there. So this is a high-end case for the price. Give you that book look, real nice. I like this. Nice lip protection all the way around, so you shouldn't have to worry about. Well, I can't really see you laying it face down like that, but it is enough lip protection where you wouldn't have to worry about it if you did do something like that. Cutouts on the bottom are on point and recessed enough where you can get your Type-C plug-in. Speakers are not blocked. Same up here. I think a cool feature would have been is somehow the speaker, the bottom of this case kind of folded back towards you, and it can project the sound towards you instead of having the sound go out in that direction. But that type of thing is for people who don't listen to their media without some type of Bluetooth headphones. But that would have been pretty cool. Microphone cutouts are on point. Volume rocker is nice and tactile, works without any kind of problem. So again, this is a nice case from Spigen, the Rugged Armor Pro. It does retail for $27.99. I will leave my links down below if you thinking about picking up one of these for your Tab S7 Plus or your 8 Plus. Again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave those down below. Other than that, I catch you in the next video. I'm out.